Dongyang CERES Hardware Tools Co. Limited is one of professional manufacturers in China. We specialized in kinds of drill bits for more than 10 years, from raw materials to finished products. All processes are produced by newest automatic machines. So that we can keep production more efficient and parameters more precise. At the same time, because of the high productivity, we have enough stock in our warehouse and we can finish the orders on time. The minimum product ability is about 5 million pieces a month. Each process has been strictly tested to ensure the quality. We have a professional transportation team, which can guarantee the safe, fast, efficient, and timely arrival of customers' goods. We have a professional business team, which can ensure that all details of customers' orders can be accurately communicated to all parts of our company to ensure long-term and pleasant cooperation. We actively participate in exhibitions around the world, adhere to the Introduce and Go Out plan, and we often participate in market research work in the target market to achieve the idea of products exported to the world. Hope to build a better future side by side with our customers through our long-term cooperation.